Hey guys, it is Wednesday, April 22nd, and we're going to start today with figurative language notes. We have one final figurative language to add to our list, and that is hyperbole. Hyperbole is an obvious exaggeration used to emphasize a point or add excitement or humor to a story. Okay? The example that we have, he is the worst person alive. Okay, we've said stuff, everybody said stuff like this, but really? You know everyone in the world and he's the worst? Okay, we know it means that he's just a horrible person, but this sentence, the statement itself, is an exaggeration. He is the worst person alive. Okay, so again, hyperbole definition, obvious exaggeration used to emphasize a point or add excitement or humor to a story. Okay. That is it for our figurative language today. So let's jump in to what we're going to be doing with Number the Stars. Number the Stars, you have chapter 10. You can either read it or listen to it, as always. And then you do have an assignment for today that is from chapters 9 and 10. So when you click on it, the first part is that you are going to be putting these events in sequential order. I know we did a sequential order a couple days ago. This one looks different. So you have the events, an officer slaps mom in the face, a casket. So you have all of these things, and you just have to click which one happened first, second, third, whatever. Okay? And then when you're done with that, you will have a couple multiple short answer questions. Okay? If you've got any questions on that, let me know. Okay? That's it for today. If you've got questions, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.